Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, one of Jamaica's largest investment bank securities dealers. That's Barita Investments Limited, ticker symbol BIL, B-I-L, trading in their shares. Advisory to the JSE that a senior manager of Barita acquired a total of just over 58,000 shares under the company's ESOP, that's Employee Stock Ownership Plan. Barita has been doing this very well since 2021, 2022. On September 12th, 2022. Now, Supreme Ventures Limited, the gaming and entertainment giant, talk about those earnings going from strength to strength on the Gary Peart and team there, quarter over quarter, year over year. SVL, bottom line here, subsidiary name change. They're getting those subsidiaries to line up or align overall with the branding of the company. Board of Directors of Supreme Ventures Limited, they wish to advise that the group's principal operating subsidiary, that's Prime Sports Jamaica Limited, will now be called Supreme Ventures Gaming Limited. They go on to say that the approval of the registrar of the companies for a change of name, it was actually done, it was granted as at August 24th, and the operations, leadership, and structure of Supreme Ventures Gaming remain unchanged. Now, hitting us up with some earnings reports here, that's Limners and Bards Limited, the lab, surpassing actually Jamaican $1 billion in revenue year to date. That's 9 months. Management accounts are unaudited numbers into the JSE. Big time here. Now, 9 months results ended July 31st of this year, 2022. The lab's operating revenue increased to 1.11 billion Jamaican, up from 942 million Jamaican year over year. Net profit, still a good number, fairly increased, mildly jumped to 144 million Jamaican, but with a strong net margin, approximately 13%. Only so many companies on our very own Jamaica Stock Exchange are doing 10% plus net margin, something to watch there on the positive side. Now, the earnings per share for the lab, year to date for the 9 months, said peer had registered 15 cents Jamaican. Now, Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited, they had some interesting HR structural organizational changes, making some serious moves. We're going to get to that in Business Live next week, but declaring a dividend here by Sagicor Group Jamaica. The board of directors held their meeting September 8th and adopted a resolution to declare an interim dividend. It's a good one, 54 cents Jamaican per share. Now, GK, that's GraceKennedy Limited. Look, it's a year GK 100. 100th anniversary of GK 100, retirement of director here for GK. GK announces, GraceKennedy, that in accordance with the company's articles, Mrs. Mary Ann Chambers will retire from the board of directors of GraceKennedy Limited effective September 8th, having reached the retirement age for the board members. Now, Mrs. Chambers will also retire from GraceKennedy's audit and corporate governance nomination committees, as well as the board of directors of GraceKennedy Financial Group. Mrs. Chambers will continue to serve in her capacity, though, as chair of the board of directors of Grace Foods Canada Incorporated. Have a fantastic weekend. I'm Mark Croskery, and this is Business Live.